Welcome! In front of me I have REALME C71 and today I'm gonna show you best tricks for beginners on this smartphone. So if you get your brand new REALME C71, you should do the few things at first. So start by opening the top menu. And here tap on these three dots, tap on edit, and you can edit the quick menu by adding or removing the tiles. For example, I don't want to use a focus, I don't want to use a live caption and security and privacy, but I want to add the data saver. Of course, I can move these tiles in order that I want to use. Then if you are done, you can just go back, or if you want to reset to the default state, just tap on reset and do it one more time. It's very useful because you will use it very often, so it's good to have the order that you wish to use. Let's move to the second trick. And you can switch on the battery percentage, because as you can see there is only an icon of battery and you can see how much battery you have. So to do it, open the settings, move to the battery option here and enable this option here. It's battery percentage. You can see on the top right corner I have 71% because it's REALME C71 and it's very useful because I like to see how much battery percent I have. You can also use the battery saver if you run out of the power, so it will increase a lot of things on your smartphone, such as you can see, it turns the dark mode, but I want to do this. Of course, it limits or turns off the background activity, some visual effects, certain features or some network connections. So if you run out of the power and you don't have charger with yourself, it's a good way to save the battery. Let's move on to the next function, and it will be taking the screenshot by using a gesture, and the gesture is swiping down 3 fingers on your screen from the top to the bottom. It looks like this. Screen blinks and the screenshot is taken. You can see it on the gallery of this device. To enable the 3 fingers screenshot, you have to open the settings, then move to the accessibility and convenience, tap on the screenshot here and make sure that you enable this option. Let's move to the next feature. If you don't remember what is your device, what is your model, processor, or how much storage or RAM you have, you can always check it. In the settings, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the settings and tap on About Phone. Here you can see all of the details about this device, the Android version, the model, the RAM, processor, full device name, device storage. You can see the specific info about the storage. For example, the applications takes 12 gigabytes on this device. You can use Storage Manager, but it doesn't matter. The important thing is you can check the detailed info on this smartphone in here. You can always click on the status and see the email info or build number, which is very helpful. You can use it on our website to check the warranty, if the smartphone is stolen, and the other important things. Let's move on to the next trick, and it's gonna be enabling the buttons layout here. So to do it, you have to open the settings, Then scroll down to the bottom of the settings, tap on the system, and the first option here, system navigation. Here you can choose the 3-button navigation or navigate by using gestures, but it's very comfortable to use these 3 buttons, so you have to choose this option here and choose a layout that you wish to use. I'm using the standard default one because it's the best for me, but you can choose any other if you want. And for this video that would be all. Leave a like, comment, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye!